great racing coming your way. Bob Fox started prototyping the first Fox air shock in 1990.
Hey, how are you?
How's it going, man?
Good, thank you.
What the heck?
Thank you.
Most of that lap is actually really good, though. From like turn 3
All right,
to
we'll
the
try
pits.
for 1 or 2 more, and then we'll pull it.
Cool.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, but it's awesome, man. There's gonna be so many people here today.
Yeah.
It's a really neat event. Super handling all-wheel drive, 4-wheel launch coming off this corner. Runs pretty good.
Yeah.
And that's 140. And we'll lift out since we're not wearing helmets.
140 miles?
Yeah, that's 140 miles an hour. And we could have kept our footer all the way down.
Yeah, it doesn't feel even that fast.
It's also really
Like so
quiet.
smooth, the car.
Yeah, exactly. What do you think?
Crazy.
Yeah?
This turn, it's crazy.
Oh yeah.
But
It's
it used to
nuts.
be like this, only was even worse.
Yeah, it was. This place is one of the fastest, scariest places.
I know.
It's really cool. Yeah. Sweet. Well, I hope you enjoy the race today. I know
I
you're
will.
cheering for the right team because you
Of
got that
course,
Acura hat
yeah.
on, so you'll be just fine.
Yeah. What is it, 8 championship they can
Yeah. I helped develop the GT3 car, so I'm pretty proud to see how well it's doing.
Absolutely.
And the motor that's in the DP car
Yeah.
was in the TLXI race, so I feel like I have a little bit to do
Well,
there.
congratulations,
A lot of
great
neat stuff
work.
going on.
Great job.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
coming. Yeah.